Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries in the microwave. Start by washing berries and thoroughly drying them so chocolate will stick. Melt 8 ounces of chocolate in 30-second bursts, stirring between each burst until smooth. Dip strawberries by holding the stem and twirling to coat. Place on parchment and chill for 10 minutes to set. I'll guide you through timing, texture, and simple flavor variations. I like little tricks that make microwave chocolate turn out glossy and smooth. Always chop chocolate into small, even pieces so it melts evenly without burning. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil to improve sheen and flow. Avoid water contact completely because even a drop will seize the chocolate and ruin the texture. If you want stripes, use white chocolate warmed separately and drizzle with a fork. Sometimes microwave melts go grainy, but you can rescue them with careful stirring and low power. If chocolate seizes, try adding a small teaspoon of warm cream or oil while stirring vigorously. Reheat gently at 10 to 20-second intervals on low power and always stir between bursts. For presentation, tilt the berry and create a drip for a natural look. Serve slightly chilled but not frozen for best bite and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.